Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are fixing a super annoying issue on Windows, the blank or the black screen with a cursor after logging in. So we're going to solve it step by step. So you can start by a simple restart. You can hold over and go to the restart option and select restart and restart your Windows, because sometimes Windows just fails to load the interface completely. So you can just go over and continue with the next step and try a simple restart. Apart from that, you can update or roll back the display drivers. So go to your device manager for that. And once you go to your devices manager, you can just go over and look out for display adapters, expand it up, right click on your graphic drivers, and select the option for update driver and search automatically for your drivers. Or if recently updated, you can even roll back your driver. You can go to right click, roll back driver, go to properties, select the option of driver, and go to this option of rollback driver and restart your Windows normally like you do. You can also disable fast startup. So you can go to control panel for that. Just go over, search for control panel, and within your control panel, you can go to the power options. So go to view by, select large icons, go to power options, and within power options, you can just go over and choose what power buttons do. So you can just go over and just do a startup. You may change your plan settings for that. Select this option of change plan settings. And from there, you can just go over and turn on fast startup. So you can look out for that in your advanced power. And if there is fast startup option, you can just go ahead and turn that option on and save the changes and restart. So you can just go over and do so. Apart from that, you can just go over and run system file in your boot mode. So for that, you can go to command prompt and run it as administrator. Once you run it as administrator, you may just go over and type in these prompts right here. Start by typing sfc space scan now. sfc. So type in that. sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. Once that is done, it will start beginning the scan. Once it is completed, you need to type in DISM. So you can just go over and do so. You may just go over, and once it is completed, type in DISM, online / cleanup restore health. It may take about 5 minutes for this verification to be completed. So once it completes, you can just go over and type in this command right here and then restart and test it out. And apart from that, you can just go over and remove problematic startup applications. Go to your task manager for that. And within task manager, go to your startup apps. And within your startup apps, you can disable all of the unnecessary applications. For example, this, right click on it, select the option to disable for that. And if Windows loads normally, you can enable the apps one by one to find the culprit. And that's it. Now we have fixed the blank or black screen with cursor after logging in Windows. So make sure to like this video, subscribe for more fixes.